Hi everyone, I'm Donnie Lowy. I'm here at Closeoutexplosion.com. Hope you're having an amazing day today. Made another video that I want to show you. This video is of the boutique jewelry that I recently purchased. The jewelry came from a wholesaler in New York that was selling jewelry to jewelry stores and to boutiques. This is really nice jewelry. It's definitely a step above, I would even say 5 steps above the type of jewelry that you would find at 99-cent stores and discount stores. I think this jewelry could be really good for beauty salons. Actually, that's what a customer of mine suggested when she saw the jewelry. You have rings. You have many, many rings here. And so bracelets. It's a very unique ring. You can see the styles are really nice. Here's a set of earrings and a necklace set. These rings seem to have here a really nice picture of either a Roman or a Greek noble woman. We have some AF silver designed by Karami earrings. Seeing these earrings, you'll see here in different colors. This one's green. We have here it's in color blue. We have some gold colored, they're color gold, it's not actually made from gold, but gold colored rings. Here we have some playful flower style, flower shape, soft rings. These are very nice earrings as well. Look at the shapes, look at the clusters, look at the vibrant colors. Here's some necklaces, more rings, more earrings. Let's see if we can go deeper in the box we can find. This box is full of beautiful, beautiful fashion jewelry. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know. I've done a few videos on this selection of jewelry, so you can definitely watch other videos as well. I'm happy to send them to you if you want to see, additional jewelry. If you want to see what it looks like. I've also taken pictures that I can send you. These are red earrings. Okay, here's a set. These are earrings with a bracelet. These rings definitely have a very deluxe, high-end look to them. And I definitely invite you to come here the next time you're in New York so you can see everything in person. You can send someone on your behalf as well. If you have any questions or comments, let me know as well. These are rings. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. My cell phone WhatsApp number is 1917-913-6093. 1917-913-6093. The website is Closeoutexplosion.com. I'm located in Brooklyn, New York, in a neighborhood called Red Hook. The neighborhood is pretty close to major international airports. I should say relatively close, and it's right outside Manhattan. It's very easy to get here. Okay, so I'm looking forward to doing business with you. Thank you so much for watching, and have an amazing day.